semi trucks lined up all the way up 179. I'm at the light here now. 179 and McKinley. These poor guys stuck here all night. This guy's actually trying to move right now. He's got his truck in gears. Tires are just spinning. I heard partial collapse in the BJ's roof. Coming up to a high loader now. Hopefully he'll let me get by. Actually looked like one of my customers. And here's a bunch more semis. Cars, trailers, just left behind. Wow. Absolutely wow. Sunoco. Car stuck in the gas station. Car right here, right next to the road here. Wow, this is insane. Insane. And there's the Odyssey. There's the Odyssey. One of my customers is smiling, saying, "How the hell are you gonna get in there?" Oh God. Oh God, I gotta park it right here. All right. I'm going in.